We're like, I'm gonna push you off there.
Ay, may nag-ano. Tawag doon. Dito yung marami ahas eh.
Tanga po.
Maliliit na ahas. Maliliit lang, yung mga garter.
Just like Alice in Wonderland.
Natin nila natin si Rendon.
This is like Alice in Wonderland.
Yan, ahas oh.
I'm blind. Malihi ako nung wala sa oras sa'yo.
Madu, ba't kayo takot?
Si P.
Takot kayo sa nature?
Sapak na si P. Ano na yan dyan?
Yung kabila, yung pinag-picture-picturean natin.
Oh, tita.
Yung pita. Galing mo, may na-problem.
Ligo!
Ang galing ah. Gio-om.
Go, Ligo. There's a bee right there.
At wala, din na natin si Rendon. So na Rendon dito. Kasi takot sa tubig yun eh.
You can swim.
Yan ka na. Diba gusto mo water break? It's a nature. You like nature, right?
No.
Oy?
I almost pushed her at the other trail. Why are you holding? Alam mo kung bakit pumunta dito sa Baguio. Naghahanap yan ng halaman.
Bri, palautot.
Si Bri pala utot. Si Bri habang naglalakad umuutot.
What?
I heard snake.
No.
I heard.
Bri for late. Bri, strong but deadly. Bri, okay. Type.
Jump, Bri.
No.
So that? Wild berry ba yan or blueberry? I'm gonna get it.
Huwag ka. Huwag na yan.
Poisonous?
Hindi ko alam.
There's no mango. That's a flower. That's not a mango. Elaborate. There's Bigfoot.
That's a tomato.
Bigfoot is not real.
Ang dami eh, no?
Yeah, Bigfoot is real. I don't even know.
Oh, watch out, guys.
Of course not.
On the side. Bring on the side.
Why? Why?
What do you mean by why?
What's that guy wanting?
Bring.
Daddy, where are you going?
Jogging.
Si Daddy. Na, iniwan ka na ni Daddy.
Dapat dinadala sa nature tong mga to eh. Takot eh. Oh, ba dito baka may snake.
Oh my God, there might be frogs, Mommy.
This is the perfect spot for a frog.
Only please, I don't like it. That's far.
Why? There's frogs, remember? In nature, there's frogs. We just have to find.
Oh, yung snake nga, takot ka eh. Frogs pa kaya. Ayun na, tingnan natin doon.
Hindi, dito.
Bring
Mga nagpi-fishing lang nandito.
It's giving, Mommy, it's kind of giving the trail that I went.
Ba't yung natatakot, Bri?
It's kind of giving the trail
Why?
that I went on my field trip.
I thought you like nature.
I do. It's just scary.
Wow, ang ganda dito. Bri, may buhangin. Come on. May tao yata. Look, may ano, Bri, may sand. Come here. Ayan o. Bri, look. Oh. See? Wow. Wow. Oh, pwede ka mag-sit down, Bri, oh. Sayang sa rin. Next time, balik tayo. Pag maganda na yung dahon. Dahon. Ah, picture, Bri.
I'm gonna write my name. Sophia. O, ikaw din ba yung sulat na yung name mo? Get a branch. Just get a branch, Bree. Just get a branch. Anything. I said get a branch. Here, here.
I'm gonna fill it up with more.
Wow.
Lovebirds niya.
Sophia is here. Here. Bree, come here. Is it cold, Bree?
Slide.
Bree.
Mommy, how do you get up there?
Come on, grab. Come on. Just follow dapat.
Bree, come on, let's go.
Mahiling mag-fishing. Oh. Dito pala maganda mag-fishing.
I see the parking lot.
Run for it. Run for the ball.
Hmm?